Hey there and welcome to the video. I'm Brian Jacobson, and in this video I'm going to show you how I integrated Neville Goddard's method for creating your dream life, activating new states of being, open new rooms within yourself, and how you can do that with MIRA. So MIRA is a web app and you can access MIRA right away, get a 3-day free trial by filling out the form below. Yeah. So what you see here, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. This is Mirror. This is the starting page. And up here, I have made different things like mini habits here. You can see some of my mini habits. Uh, and you can create your own, and you'll do that by sharing your experience and where you want to go in your life. But what's really interesting is the Dream Activator. So the Dream Activator is based on Neville Goddard's principle that we create by accessing the state of being that already have what it is we want to experience and see more of. I call it a Dream Clarity Wizard. And what it does is similar to what Neville Goddard teaches us is we need to have a scene or create a picture of what it is we want to experience. And you want to create that picture as if you've already been successful in what you want to accomplish. So you are being guided here. You'll see, close your eyes for a moment, ask yourself, what does my dream life look like? And you start to activate that imaginative power you got. And you're going to write it down here. And Mira, she will save everything for you so you can return to this. Okay. Next thing is you want to connect with that state of being. So as you feel your dream version of yourself, having what it is you desire, we want to go deeper. Neville Goddard teaches the same. It's the feeling of the wish fulfilled that's important, the state of being that produces the results. And you'll learn to put some words on it here and spend some time with it. So it helps you to focus your attention and keep your mind's eye on the target. The next thing is the concept, right? So you want to define a new story of yourself. What is it that you're doing? Who are you doing it with? What roles are you playing? So that concept you want to describe as well. And finally, the anchor scene. And this is the most important thing. That's what's going to reprogram your subconscious mind to begin to create those inspired actions throughout your day, create the life events that will make it possible for you to fully experience what it is you imagined. So all this happens in Mira. This is the pro version though. And down here, you'll see that we have the dream habits, right? So just like Neville Goddard teaches this is not a one-time off. You don't go to God, go within just one time, and then you'll get everything you want. If it was that easy, everyone would do it, right? No, it's a habit, and you want to adopt that habit. So imagination before sleep is one of them, and you can click and check in every time you've done it and follow up on the days, the streaks. And why is it important to actually follow up on these things and create habits? It's because the first time you will try to change your mind consciously, it will resist. It will have a resistance to it until you understand the flow and the processes that follows as we start to adopt new ideas and train that focus, train that skill. So imagination before sleep, the stillness gap in the morning, learning to sit in silence, the sacred silence, I call it, and allow whatever is going on so you become the chooser of thoughts and not the chosen one of thoughts. Does that make sense? You don't want to be on autopilot, just picking thoughts on random. You want to consciously start to choose your thoughts with clarity aligned with your new version of yourself. And finally, there's the inspired micro actions. So get into the habit of daily sit, tune into that state of being, and then take those micro actions that follows. And they might be anything. The path is always fun. So check in with that. Finally, Mira Dream Coach. So what you have access to here is you can start actually sharing your experience. So let's say you've done this a few days and the doubt comes up, the old mindset comes up. You can talk with Mira about it. She'll help you to return those old mindsets back into your new states. And as you shared everything with her here, she will also know what states you are curious of and the words that you use for it, and the talk will happen very fluently. So just wanted to share that with you here. If you want access, click below. I do run workshops as well. There will be links for that below as well. If you want to follow me, give a like on YouTube, follow me here. And I also have daily posting on Facebook. So if you're curious about that, get in touch. I'm here for that. I'm excited to teach this, learn more also. The more people who start to apply it, I also learn things with it. So it's very exciting stuff. Okay, thanks for watching here. Let's just put my image up. There you go. Hey, have a wonderful day. Make it wonderful and use that imaginative power because it's awesome. Take care.